already 6:47 here in Japan. And 6:47 in the Philippines, no? Kagigising ko lang, by the way. Kumusta naman kayo dyan? I'm sorry, madalas akong hindi nag-live. I'm so busy. Tindihin nyo na lang, ha? Ganun lang talaga ang buhay. That's all. Good morning. I love you guys. Katatapos ko lang mag-drink ng milk. Tapos hinahanap ko yung Fujiyama. Hindi ko makita kasi medyo cloudy. Yun lang. Tapos yung hinahanap ko doon, nagwalis oh. Very nice. Morning all. Hindi natuloy yung pag-games kasi walang nag-i-entry. So, ibig sabihin, marami naman palang hindi nangangailangan ng pera. So, walang pag-games. Okay? That's all. Thank you.